Friends, welcome back to NG Academy. Our today's agenda is to discuss principal axis, optical center, principal focus, and focal length of the lens. Here we take two kinds of lens, that is convex and concave. Now let's move towards the topic of discussion. At first, we will discuss about principal axis. To discuss principal axis, we make two diagram. One is convex lens, another is concave lens. We choose the marker to be black. Let's extend this one. Let's extend this one. Now there is two spheres. One is this and next is this. Again we extend this one also. Let's extend the curve. This one is the center. This one is the center of this sphere, and this one is the center of this sphere. C1, C1 and C2. Similarly, C1, C2. So the line joining these two centers of curvature, C1 and C2 is called principal axis. Now let's discuss another topic, that is optical center. What actually is the optical center? Optical center is a point on the principal axis of a lens. This one is lens, this one is also lens, this is concave and this is concave, this one is convex. Okay, now there lies one point inside the lens, and this point is optical center and represented by letter O. And what actually optical center is? Optical center is a point on a principal axis. One line passes through this point. This is principal axis, and optical center is a point on principal axis. This is the point, see there, this is the point on the principal axis of a lens, through which a ray of light passes undeviated. For example, if a ray of light passes from this point, this ray of light do not deviate it after it passes through the lens. Similar is the case of concave lens. When a ray of light passes through concave lens, then there is no any kind of deviation. Okay. Again, to understand principal focus, our next topic is principal focus. Let's draw diagram. Let's choose marker, it's to be black. This is convex lens, another is concave lens. This is principal axis, this one is principal axis. Now the parallel beam of light are incident on the lens. In case of convex lens, after refraction they meet at a point. In case of concave lens, the case is different. This particular incident ray of light is diverged, another ray is also diverged, but these both diverged rays of light appears to come from a point on the principal axis. So this point is called focus. And in case of convex lens, the light rays after refraction meet at a point, and this point is called focus. This point is called focus. Now let's see the definition. Okay, let's define from this figure. So what kind of definition is invented, discovered? When light rays parallel to principal axis, let's go through the marker, red marker. When light rays parallel to principal axis, these are the light rays parallel to principal axis, are incident on a lens, the light rays after refraction, meet at a point, or appear to come from a point, on the principal axis. This point is called principal focus. So these 2 points, on the principal axis is called principal focus. Okay, now our next topic of discussion is focal length. Let's discuss about focal length. The length between optical center and principal focus is called focal length, and it is denoted by letter small f. The distance between principal focus and the optical center is the focal length, and it is denoted by letter small f. So friends, this much for today. We will definitely meet in our next video with new points and new agendas. This much for today. If you have any kind of confusions, then please let me know and mention your confusion in the comment section below. I will be very grateful to reply.